Yeah, this is what we're going to use to mount our TV. I have a 32-inch TV right here, and we are going to mount this TV onto this pillar. This pillar is a concrete pillar, okay? It's a square-shaped pillar, and we're going to mount the TV with this ZeboZap Swiveling outdoor gazebo TV mount. And I'm going to set up some seats over here. We're going to have a barbecue pit over there, and let us now mount this TV onto the pillar. So inside here we have all the things. I'm going to start mounting now.
We're dancing, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. We're singing, oh oh oh. We're dancing, oh 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 oh. We're singing, oh 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 oh. We're dancing, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. We're singing, oh oh oh. We're dancing, oh 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 oh. We're singing, oh 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 oh. We're dancing, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. We're singing, oh oh oh. We're dancing, oh 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 oh. We're singing.
So as you can see here, this is the TV mount mounted on the pillar. Many people have asked me, have mentioned that this straps is unreliable. Do you want to see the real strength of this strap? The straps. Alright, look here. I have this mount on the pillar and I'm going to hang on this mount. Yeah, see this, alright? There you go. So this strap is really strong, guys, because this ratchet system, alright, it straps onto the pillar and it's really strong. Alright, so you don't have to worry about mounting your TV onto these straps. So we are done mounting the TV mount onto the pillar, and then the next step is to place this VESA mount, which comes together with the TV mount. Alright, as you can see here, this VESA mount is really small. It looks fantastic. It looks like a butterfly if you look at it. Right, how to place this onto the back of the TV? Alright, this is the back of my 32-inch TV. Alright, you just place this according to the holes that are already been given. Don't worry if you place the arrow this way. Okay, I'm going to show you a magic that you could do. You could later do something to the TV so that it faces the right spot. Alright, so how to place this? Okay, all these screws, are also given together with the mount. Alright, so you don't have to worry about buying separate screws or washers or anything else. So you gotta use a Phillips screwdriver to do this, and this is the only tool that you're going to use to mount your TV. Isn't that good? Alright, so what you do now is you just place everything and you screw it in. Alright.
Oh, we're dancing, oh 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 oh.
So ZeboZap also includes all the tools needed, okay, like this hex key and these screws. These are used onto the mount right here. So I'm going to place the TV and use this to mount the TV. Right, to place the TV, what you got to do is, okay, just make sure this arrow right here, okay, you can see this arrow right here, so make sure it faces up. Don't worry if your TV faces this way in a portrait motion, because we're going to adjust it in a bit. You just slide the TV in like this, and it goes right in. Okay, as I said, don't worry if your TV faces in a portrait way. Okay, and then use the hex key or Allen key and the black hex nuts. Okay, down here you can see a hole here. Just place the hex nut, and one more on this side of the TV.
We're dancing, oh 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 oh. We're singing, oh 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 oh. We're dancing, oh oh oh.
We are done. Alright, just now I mentioned to you that not to worry if your TV is portrait like this, because this is a 360-degree rotatable TV mount. Want to see the magic? Right. Just turn the TV like this, and there you go. You are now able to watch your TV as usual. Besides that, this TV mount has a beautiful motion, right? You could even tilt your TV up and down like this, and also swivel your TV left and right for 45 degrees. Isn't that good? Okay, as you can see here, I can rotate the TV 360 degrees. And why is this important? If you want to place a TV on a mount on your business environment and use this as an advertisement TV, you could advertise your menu in a restaurant and everything else. Alright, so this TV mount is fully outdoor rated.